up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down around the town. Why ask me? Why ask me? Why ask me up and down, up and down? Ooh, why ask me? Ooh, why ask me? One Callie Storm Doll here, and bam! Today we're going into the world of Mermaidz. We have Chanel, we have Harmonique, and we have Kyoshi. And I am here to open up all these girls and get into these looks and see what these new fashionista mermaids are bringing to the party. These girls are divas. They've climbed out of the sea and they've walked straight to the runway. We're opening up each girl now. So as far as Chanel and her packaging goes, it looks like everything is pretty much intact. These dolls do currently retail for $32.88 on Walmart.com. On the back of the packaging it says, Mermaidz, beyond the waves, beneath the surf, into the deep blue. Follow the fabulous fins of mermaids to discover something amazing. And then we can see all 5 of the girls we can collect. And down here for Chanel's write-up, it says, Chanel, stylist, searching for whatever shines brightest. And it looks like as well in travel that her tail was not damaged. And the reason why I'm letting you guys know is because so far online, some people are saying when they receive their dolls via travel that some of the tails I guess got messed up, but mine seems to be okay. It says Harmonique, pop star performer, no spotlights enough. I have Kashiko, that's her name, and she is beautiful. Kashiko definitely give me Queen of the Sea type of vibes. I have to say her tail is gorgeous. It's definitely giving me some type of material. It's plastic, but the illusion gives like high-end material. Kashiko, she's a trendsetter who loves to glisten. Kind of basic. So I'm gonna give Kashiko a more detailing story. Kashiko is a fashion designer who craves more than the sea life. So she's come upon the shore to take over the fashion world. Yes! Because looking at this, she's definitely a kawaii pastel mermaid. Okay, so they have a tail change feature. So let's see what we can do. I didn't see a change. Let's try another one. Change. Uh-oh. Well, y'all don't ever say I never tried. I just oh no. Right, so now we have all 3 of these beautiful ladies out of their packagings. These dolls do retail for $32.88, but everything you see when you're looking at the packaging is everything that you get here. So you do get the doll and you get 1 purse accessory. Over here we have Kishoka, and she is so pretty. I just love her pastel colors and everything like that. Everyone can pretty much stand on their tail except Chanel. She's not really good at standing up on her tail at all, and I think it's because out of all of them she is like the bulkiest big bulk of a tail, so that's not going to be good for standing up. But the other 2 are really good at it. Now obviously we can tell that the lower half of the dolls do not offer any articulation. So as I turn them around, you can get a look at their hair and things like that. Now her hair is really soft, but it's dry, and I really love the colors. This is her face makeup, looking very beautiful. She also comes with this shirt and jacket, necklace and earrings, and they have these crystals inside of them, letting me know she's a peace-loving queen. And as you can see, her ruffles are highly detailed. This is her purse. As you can see, it's a cloud. She gives me very kawaii themed. You're gonna notice these strings on my dolls, because as far as unpackaging goes, it was not easy. So all of them still have these strings. If anyone knows how to get those strings off, please let me know. Next, we're looking at Harmonique. She's the songbird of the group, and she actually has molded on accessories. I'm not sure how I feel about that, MGA. This is over a $30 doll. She is the more robotic themed girl out of the dolls. Her tail does give this robotic prism feel, leading up to this garter around her tail. Now their tails are solid pieces, but they're not like really weighted pieces. They're light. You can see her ruffled top, giving homage to Ariana Grande. Yes, live in concert tease. This is her purse. You can see it's a clear pink plastic going up to her shoulder. Her necklace, I love her tan skin complexion, her eye color. They all have very soft makeup. Her hair is very soft, but looking at the ponytail right here, it looks like it may be a little thin, as we can see scalp already, but it does go all the way down. So if you're okay with the thin root, there she is. Chanel, and she is so pretty, giving the rich chick vibe, as her tail is flooded with pearls. Her tail is very hollow. If you can hear the hollow feel, it's very hollow. But I love her mermaid belt, MRMD, mermaid, yes. Then she also has on this cloth piece to give the illusion of like a belt. This is her Chanel purse. She has on a fur. I really love her top. That top is so pretty. Her necklace, she has these blue earrings. They don't have painted on nails, but they do have fingernails. So if you take your time, you can probably paint those nails. She does feature beautiful brown eyes and soft makeup. She has the light blue right over top of her eyes, which looks so beautiful. Then she has this blue bow on top. And on her back, she has this blue hair. Alright, now that we've gone over the dolls, let's go over the articulation. They have head articulation. They can look side to side. They have shoulder articulation, elbow, wrist. They also have midriff and hip, which is a lot of articulation. And then at the very end of their tail, they have articulation as well. So we can't necessarily sit them down. As you can see, they always have to be kind of standing up. Now, looking at these dolls, do I immediately think that these will be the girls that can take over LOL OMG or Rainbow High? No, but I think they're a cute add-on line. You know, I don't think it's anything that's going to be really doll dominating. I do love these dolls. They do give me more of a high-end type of doll, the feel of them and also the look of them. And some people in the doll community have already started to draw comparisons to Mermaid High. Mermaid High and Mermaze do not compare at all. They're very two different dolls. And also with Mermaid High, they offer the leg attributes once you can take off the fin. When Mermaidz, you only get the doll. So for me, this isn't really a fair comparison, because we know more people are going to vote for Mermaids than they will vote for Mermaid High, just overall aesthetic, because their overall looks are really different. To me, both of the girls are pretty, and I think both of them can be friends in the mermaid world. Now for me personally, the real comparison I want to make, MC Square dolls. I know a lot of people in the doll community were saying that these girls have the MC Square face. They definitely have some similarities going on, but I can't really spot what exactly is there. Let's compare the faces. Yes, looking at some of them, I can see why some people would just think like these are just girls from a different school. Like, what school do you come from? The C. Oh, but you can definitely tell that they are a different line. But guys, I definitely can see some of the similarities that a lot of people are seeing. This is a great doll line, and I think this is going to be very great for anyone who loves mermaids and loves MGA brats, you know, the Rainbow High themed girls. They're definitely going to love these dolls. Yes, they are in a 30-point range, but they always go on a dolly discount, especially with Walmart and Target. You guys will be able to find them discounted out. They are wonderful dolls and they are beautiful in theme, and I am happy to add them to my mermaid collection. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And remember this, I will see you in my next video.